Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, June the 7th. News items for this week. Nothing on the docket for today or tomorrow. We launched the week on Wednesday with crude oil inventories. Important information on Thursday on inflation. Of course, the unemployment claims also on the same day. And the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. How is the economy doing in reference to the consumer? What is their opinion? So really, really impactful information coming up this week. So please keep your eyes open for these reports, particularly around these times here. Let's quickly jump to our analysis with our daily chart. And it's more of the same, guys. Market is inching up very slowly. As you notice, we kind of left our little quadrant here that we have marked. Market has made several attempts to the all-time highs. First one was back on May 7th, followed by the one on May the 10th, which established the all-time high. And then we attempted it a few times after that, so we'll see what happens today. But this is all happening on very low ranges and low volume, and it's like retail. You know what I mean? It's like you have few shoppers in the store trying to, little bit of money trying to buy some items. The less players you have, the easier it is for this market to be taken down by sellers. So keep your eyes looking at any attempt to the all-time high today and a potential retracement. Now remember, our true support level at this point still remains the 20 SMA, making this a difficult market to trade simply because of the way that the market's moving. It's not moving very efficiently. It's kind of like jerking back and forth, and it's a little choppy, so it makes it really difficult to find good high probability areas. So just remember that's what you're facing. This is the pattern that we've been falling into recently. So you have to play the cards right. You can't force this market. You can't attempt to guess in this market. You need to have a plan, and then you need to trade that plan. And you need to wait for the confirmation for your hypothesis. If you don't see the confirmation, do not pull the trigger. So here's where we are right now. Trend line right below us. Market tested it, broke clearly above it, and now we are here retesting this particular price level here, which we had established last week, and that's how close we are to the all-time highs. And obviously anything above this, be careful. We don't know how far this is going to go, and any failure to here's going to be your first test right about here. So let's look at it closely here on our analysis chart here as we prepare for our plan for the day. And here's where we are currently. We're bouncing off the intraday high, our third time there. We established it late, tested pre-market, retesting it again after this run from here to here, from here to here, more than a 61% retracement. That's where we are. This is our top, this is our top, this is our bottom. Activity can happen within here. Ultimately, can we test the all-time high or break below here? That's what we're looking for today. Do not force this market, and please, I beg you, be very patient with this market. Take care. Have a great session.